Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
TFG Fantasy Cricket is an IVM production, and you can also check out their other awesome shows like Drinks and Destination, a handy guide to the world of wine, spirits and more, along with a dip into travels around the world.
You're listening to TFG Fantasy Cricket.
Hey guys, welcome to the new episode, a new week of Fantasy Cricket Podcast. My name is Nikhil. I'm in the studio with Vivek Krishnan. A not so good weekend rather?
Definitely not. Didn't enjoy the Saturday or the Sunday. Very bad situation. Some factors were beyond our control. I don't want to talk much about this. It's better to erase those bad memories, and we have to look forward to the upcoming week. So let's straight
Directly
away.
straight.
Yeah, because
you
can't do a post-mortem because, like I said, the factors were not in our control. So many things happened. People were benched, dropped, rested, sent back home. Some people coming in out of a serious shoulder injury and still smacking the ball as though he was hitting a plastic ball. So anyway, I don't want to talk much about it.
But one thing we need to clarify about Amla, because we received quite a message. Why didn't we pick Amla?
So, simple reason, both teams pack a heavy batting lineup. Amla, Guptill, Shaun Marsh. Likewise, Aaron Finch, Suresh Raina and Dwayne Smith. Amla got single digit in the last two matches before he got 100. And I couldn't leave Martin Guptill the way he was hitting. Shaun Marsh, Dwayne Smith, like we saw what he did. Suresh Raina, Aaron Finch. So, one guy I had to choose and it was Amla. Bad luck for us that he got out there and scored a century. So again, it comes down to luck many times, and this time it wasn't smiling on our side. So it's okay, ठीक है, चलता है, होता रहता है. So let's.
So moving on to today's match, Hyderabad plays Mumbai. Mumbai are almost.
I want to talk about Adil Rashid. देखा कहाँ 4-5 विकेट, कहाँ कल 1 विकेट, वो भी जबरदस्ती. So, but
I don't understand
people are a little sensible. Some of those who follow us, they wrote saying yes, they understand the situation. He was not preferred over Moeen Ali. It was just by chance he got a game, and then we saw what happened yesterday.
But I tell you, yesterday I was watching that match. Kevin O'Brien was playing some reckless shots that was not required. I think if he would have been, on the crease for at least 10-12 overs, he would have at least got close to the total.
Definitely. See, 330 was still very far away, but they could have made a good match somewhere around 280, 290. They could have scored. But England, look, the team in form. Okay. So, one important announcement, Sam Billings and Eoin Morgan are coming back. So, this is something I want to talk about. So, they're going to come back to their respective teams. Hashim Amla, David Miller will be leaving very soon, or they might have left. I don't know. We'll have to check on that. So, Morgan is coming back.
But it would hardly make any difference. Sam Billings coming back.
Yes, for Delhi, I don't think it makes a difference. Punjab, maybe yes, because they still have 3 games to go. If they win 3, they have a great chance of making into the playoffs at either SRH or Pune's expense. We'll have to wait and see. But Morgan coming back makes a sense at the end of the day. Not so much Sam Billings. जब था तभी खिलाया नहीं. तुमको उसको बेचकर वापस बुलाना और खिलाना, मतलब that only DD can do, boss.
But I'll tell you what.
GMR has बहुत पैसा है उनके पास.
Amla जब भी स्कोर करता है, they lose.
Oh, is it so?
Yeah, Amla scored against Mumbai. They lost.
No, did he score 100 against Mumbai?
Yeah, he scored 100 against Mumbai.
Oh yes, I remember that flick over. Lasit Malinga. Yeah.
He scored 100 against Mumbai. They lost.
Yes.
Yesterday they scored 100.
So it's better Amla gets zeros and Punjab wins. Good for us also. Anyway.
Okay, let's move on to today's match. Hyderabad plays Mumbai. Mumbai is well settled at the top.
Very, very, very safe.
Do you think they will make any changes just to play out, players from the bench?
Yes, I think one. I had picked Lasit Malinga in this team. So this team, you won't face any... Wait. I'm telling. So you won't face any budget issue. I had picked Malinga.
Achha, you had. Okay.
And I replaced him because you asked me this question, किसी को बिठा सकता है क्या? So Mumbai have already benched Malinga twice in this IPL and they rested him. Going into the playoffs, they need Malinga. Malinga was superb against Delhi. So they need that strike bowler. They could replace him with a Mitchell Johnson or a Tim Southee for this game because they know they are in the playoffs. They have to, like KKR are doing with Robin Uthappa, they have to rest their key players so that no injuries, even Colton Isle. So that could be the only change. Krunal Pandya is not travelling with this Mumbai team. He's still nursing an injury. He is going to be ruled out again for sure.
Okay.
So these are the only two changes I see. Josh Butler is going back to the UK, so Simmons will open with Parthiv. And then Raina, Pollard, Hardik, Rohit, they're all in the 11 for sure. McClenaghan will continue to play. Bumrah, Harbhajan, Karan Sharma will play in place of Krunal Pandya. So I wanted to pick Malinga. Like I said, no budget problems, but I just get a feeling he could be rested today. Okay. And that's why I've gone for 3. That is Harbhajan, McClenaghan and Jasprit.
Jasprit Bumrah.
Yes.
Okay. So let me just go through the team that we have selected for this match. Parthiv Patel.
Yeah, because Naman ho jaye samne.
कोई भी होने दो, Parthiv Patel. See, he scores that quick.
I think
25-30.
Yeah. It's very important. Bonus runs hai. So, and who's the other keeper in the IPL who's opening? Not too sure, right? KKR. Uthappa, the only guy. But again, Uthappa sometimes gets benched. Sometimes
the way Naren
is more of an accomplished opener these days. Fastest 50. मेरे को मालूम भी नहीं था. When I heard Sunil Gavaskar say that, I was really choked. Well, 15 balls, he's made a mockery of the bowling. In fact, all those who have gone and scored a fast century over the last 10 years. So, Sunil Naren, goodness, bapre. So, yeah.
Defying all the odds.
Completely, yes.
Okay, so we start with Parthiv Patel. The batting lineup is Shikhar Dhawan, David Warner, who is our captain, Rohit Sharma, who is our vice captain, Lendl Simmons. In all-rounder category, we have only Moses Henriques.
So this is a Zabardasti selection. मैं आपको बताऊंगा
Why not Hardik?
So I had picked Hardik. So then the problem is, we would have had more of
4
Mumbai.
bowlers.
Yeah, and then how many? 4 bowlers from Mumbai. I understand Hardik doesn't bowl often, but how many from Mumbai can you field? Let's not forget SRH is also an equally good team, plus they are playing at home. So you needed a balance, and I think Henriques gives you that balance. We don't pick Henriques often, but because I said the budget is not a problem here, Mumbai have already picked, the batting does not go down to 4 and 5 Mumbai का जाता है क्या?
नहीं जाता, हार्दिक पांड्या तक जाता है. He scores that quick 20,
yes,
25,
but he's
30.
a floater. So this is a very interesting choice. So you could either pick a Hardik Pandya in the all-rounder slot, or you could pick Moses Henriques. I just get a feeling Lendl Simmons, Parthiv Patel, Nitish Rana is one more guy we haven't picked because kitne log ko lenge, and then there is Rohit Sharma. Robin Singh, I don't know who was the man behind sending Kieron Pollard 1 down. That was a shocker. अगर ऐसे हो चीज अगर
he delivered very nicely.
Fantastic. And the tweet, or I think who clarified, Sanjay Manjrekar spoke about range on air. He made it very clear. So 1 down and opening खास फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But this is what Mumbai can do now, because experiment, they can experiment, they can fail, nothing will happen to them. So don't be surprised if Nitish Rana gets demoted down the order, Pollard comes up, or even Hardik gets promoted. But I just went with the logic saying Rohit Sharma, because he is the captain, he has to get more balls. And I think Mumbai, for him to peak, this is the time. Playoffs mein his presence will matter a lot with the bat. And I genuinely feel he could bat up the order today.
Okay.
That's why I've gone with Rohit Sharma.
Okay. In bowlers category, we have Jasprit Bumrah, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Harbhajan Singh, Mitch McClenaghan, and Rashid Khan. Okay, one question. You think even Pollard will be benched today?
I don't think so. Because people like Pollard should not be benched.
What's the reason that he's not in the team?
Kisko drop karu? Because he gets into the batsman's category these days, not in the all-rounders category. So if I have to pick him, I have to drop somebody. So can you suggest a name that can be dropped from this list?
Okay.
Yeah, that's the problem. Because the way Mumbai bowlers have been bowling, all these guys pick wickets, man. Jasprit gets 2 easily. McClenaghan gets a wicket. I still feel Harbhajan will open because Dhawan, Warner, 2 lefties in Hyderabad. The boundaries are big. Not going to be easy. And Harbhajan is bowling very well. So there you go. That's the logic. That's the logic. I also, why haven't I picked Yuvraj Singh? Yuvraj Singh doesn't score well against a real quality attack. This is मेरा firm opinion है. उसने 50 मारा last match में. See the number of chances he got. I don't think with this quality attack he's going to score a lot. That's why I didn't have any hesitation in dropping him.
Okay. Even though Mumbai will be experimenting today, but they will love to continue on number 1 position?
I think regardless of whether they win or lose, they will finish number 1 unless KKR wins the next 2 and Mumbai loses 1. So otherwise I don't see any danger for Mumbai. But it doesn't matter, 1 or 2 you still get 2 chances. So shouldn't be a problem.
Okay. The only thing that's hitting me right now is there is no Nitish Rana and there is no Kieron Pollard.
I know, but the problem is I can't be dropping Dhawan. I can't drop David Warner, Rohit Sharma, Lendl Simmons.
In fact, the only
option available, I'll tell you honestly here is all-rounder. So as the rule says, you have to pick 1. So maybe bench or drop one of those bowlers. That we have. But who? McClenaghan? Harbhajan? I firmly believe today Harbhajan's day. He's the dark horse. मैंने article में लिखा भी है. He's the dark horse.
Okay.
Yeah. So
okay. What we are basically trying to say here is
maybe you could go ahead and drop a Bumrah, but do you want to take a chance?
So looking at the team, what we are guessing is it's not going to be a high scoring game.
Okay. So it would be wrong to say high scoring, low scoring. I would say Mumbai bowlers will pick more wickets as compared to Hyderabad's bowlers. Otherwise, even Siddharth Kaul isn't there. And I have seen people omitting Bhuvneshwar Kumar and picking Siddharth Kaul and picking Mohammad Siraj. मैं वो इतना हिम्मत नहीं है मेरे में कि मैं वो करूँ. So I would go with Bhuvneshwar and Rashid any day. Rashid, I think, has become a no-brainer. Everybody has him. So yeah.
So. Okay guys, the article is up on our website, thefangarage.com. Do have a look at it. If you have any questions, connect us via Twitter, TFG Fantasy 11, and Facebook as Fantasy Pandit. You can listen to this podcast on Indusvox Media, Audioboom, SoundCloud, iTunes, and definitely on YouTube. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Till then, keep hunting guys. Bye-bye.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Sorry to say, but there's been a slight delay due to the apocalypse having suddenly begun. As you can see, there's death, destruction, and chaos taking place all around us. But don't you worry, food and drinks will be served shortly, and I would recommend checking out
IVM Podcasts
to get some of your favorite Indian podcasts. We'll keep you going till this whole thing blows over. Thank you.